as regards to the defection of the 25 members from Rivers. And I will read as agreed by all members. There is no remedy for 25 former Rivers Assembly members. We've asked council, we counsel them to prepare for fresh election. The People's Democratic Party asserts that there is no remedy for the 25 former members of the Rivers State House of Assembly who, by virtue of 109 1G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, vacated and lost their seats by reason of defection from the PDP, the party platform upon which they were elected into the House of Assembly. Our party insists that having now vacated and lost their seats, the only option available for the former lawmakers, if they wish to return to the House of Assembly, is to seek fresh nomination and re-election on the platform of any political party of their choice, in line with the provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, and the Electoral Act 2022. The 25 former Rivers lawmakers freely and without any cause vacated their seats, being fully aware of the consequences of defection from the party upon which they were elected into the Rivers State House of Assembly without the conditions stipulated by the 1999. For the avoidance of doubt, there is no division in the PDP at the national or any other level, for that matter, to justify the defection of the 25 former members of the Rivers State House of Assembly from the party. They therefore vacated their seats for reasons best known to them and cannot return to the House of Assembly without passing through a fresh electoral process in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution and the Electoral Act. Moreover, the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Barrister Ihi Edison, officially declared the seat of the defected, now former members, vacant, in line with Section 109 of the 1999 Constitution as amended. The Rivers State House of Assembly, having become functus officio on the matter, cannot readmit the former lawmakers unless through the channel of a fresh election. Our party therefore counsels the former members of the Rivers State House of Assembly not to be deceived by anybody giving them the false hope and impracticable assurances in Abuja or any other place that they can return to the Rivers State House of Assembly without a fresh election, or that the Independent National Electoral Commission can be stopped from conducting fresh elections into the 25 Rivers State constituencies where vacancies have occurred by reason of their defection. For emphasis, Section 84(15) of the Electoral Act 2022 is clear in providing that no courts have powers to stop INEC from conducting election wherever and whenever a vacancy occurs in any electoral constituency. For clarity, Section 84(15) of the Electoral Act 2022 provides that nothing in this section shall empower the courts to stop the holding of primaries or general election under this act, pending the determination of the suit. The PDP demands that INEC should, in line with Section 109(1) and G and Section 84(15) of the Electoral Act 2022, fix a date for the conduct of fresh election in the 25 state constituencies in Rivers State where vacancies have occurred by reason of the defection of the now former members, pending the determination of any suit in any court. The national leadership of the PDP charges all members of our great party in Rivers State to remain united and resolute in the defense of constitutional democracy and rule of law in Rivers. He has every right to be called upon to attend a meeting without seeking clearance for us. More so, as regards to your question, whether the constitution of that meeting was constituted right or not, this will be answered by Fubara himself. Ours is the position of the party. We have all right to defend the party's position and to also retrieve what belongs to us at the appropriate time. So we don't have to seek for Fubara's clarification or anybody to act on behalf of the party. So I'm not aware whether he's the one that signed it or not. I cannot confirm that to you because I've not spoken to you. Most of these rumors are peddled by you media. Because as far as I'm concerned, there's no any crisis in the party, and people have the right to express their feelings. If they don't like the face of Damagum or the NWC, they have every right to say these people should go. The same people are saying we are doing very well to keep this party together, and this is why we are here. We will continue to do that, and when that time comes, we shall see. But we are all not mindful of the fact that we have a responsibility to this party. So that allegation, you said it yourself, is an allegation. So I'll consider it an allegation, and don't propagate it further, because you know, when you propagate rumor, it causes crisis. So please, I indulge you to also be cautious of what you hear. It with Wike one time, and you were saying it publicly, the party is intervening. You see, in this kind of crisis, you don't have to come out and say, we are meeting, we are doing this, we are doing that, because a lot of interests are there, and it can jeopardize the process of this intervention. Not quite all right. The party has intervened. That was why you have seen some camps at certain particular time. And as regards to the president intervening, I'm sure he's doing that in the interest of the nation, because of the constant, the security situation and the agitation that is building up. So as a president, he will know he can intervene in other states as well, even if it's his states. So that does not foreclose the fact that the party will have to take its responsibility to also do what to do the needful. That is one of these things that we are doing. It's also in line with the outcome of what has happened. So you don't have to. And our stand about Wike, you have always pampered that. I have always said this thing: as long as you are a member of this party, there is a time for everything. My duty here is to stabilize this party, not to stay a crisis. And I will continue to do that within the confines of reason. When it goes out of its hand, we will act. But meanwhile, we still see it within the ambit of the laws. Mind you, we have other litigations going on still in this party, and definitely we won't want to plunge our party into another crisis. And let me even draw your attention that some people have gone to court, especially the law members, to say there was crisis in the party. That was why they defected. Assuming there was real crisis, which you and me know there was no any crisis in this party. Assuming we planned the party into crisis, we will be here talking now. So I think we are doing everything possible, and we are not mindful of the fact that it's not only Wike. There are other people that also have worked against this party. When we get to that level, we'll sanction everyone. So if Wike today believe is above this party, we will be able to show him that he is not above the party.